The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Tuesday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 9, verses 32 to 38. In the gospel, Jesus was accused of expelling demons by the power of evil. But nonetheless, even if they doubted his authority and power, he continued to show compassion on the people. And in fact, he even prayed for them and taught them to pray to the Father to send laborers into his vineyard. My dear sisters and brothers, in many good deeds that we have done, there will always be people who will criticize and will not appreciate what we did. Even if we pour our heart, even if there are many people who think that we did what is right, we will always have bashers or people who will not appreciate us. Especially in this age of social media, people will always put color on our pure intentions. Nonetheless, that shouldn't stop us from doing what is right. That shouldn't discourage us. Let's keep on doing what we need to do, not because we receive appreciation and praise, but because that is what we are supposed to do. On the other hand, to those people who are always critical of others, if you cannot appreciate others, at least be kind to them. The least that we can do is to show kindness. Because remember, not everyone is like you. We have our differences. We have our own uniqueness. And so to compare yourself from others is just not right. We have to show kindness and compassion, just like what Jesus did, even to his own critics. God bless.